Hey guys, it's Hassy Trades here. This is going to be a short but concise video. I will analyze the Cosm chart and will also keep you up to date with any relevant news. Let's get right into this video, guys. First, I want to start this video by saying the CEO. What a person that CEO is. Purchasing more shares today at 0.62. What does this give us? This gives us consumer confidence. This has built us, guys, with some hope because the CEO itself believes the valuation of the stock should be much higher and is backing retail the whole way. So that's why to the CEO, I'm really happy with the way you're supporting the stock and not letting your shareholders down. Also, the S3 was updated today and Cosm is the most shorted stock at 1,379%. Wow. That actually feels illegal, you know, guys. They have created so many naked shares, which actually makes me quite angry because it's clear manipulation on this. They just want this to come down straight away. But the CEO itself, I love the fact that they're backing their word with the investors, and it's something refreshing to see. I've never really seen any other CEO do this. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I've not seen any CEO back a company the way Cosm have. So I am supporting the stock all the way, and hopefully we can teach these hedges a lesson. But what they're doing with this high SI, it's illegal because there are so many naked shares and they're forcing the stock down. They're forcing the stock to come all the way down. But let's move on to the chart, guys, with the Cosm. And I'm going to keep it quite simple, you guys, and what I don't want to see and what I want to see. So we have rebounded in after hours, but we are not clear yet. So guys, if you see this highlighted box here, this is an area of supply zone. And this is an area where the sellers will step up more. So what I want to see, guys, is, and it's quite simple, I want to see us push this area and I want us to make a higher low. And the reason why I want a higher low is because I want buyers to step up at this level just here. And once we make it a higher low, I want us to reclaim this area of supply. And hopefully we could see a push back towards this 0.55 area. I'll mark this 0.5 area as probably the biggest area into tomorrow. And if we could break this area, IMO, we could see a rush back up towards 0.65. And that would be an extremely bullish close into tomorrow, in my opinion. So hopefully we do get that push. And I'm just going to show you. Yeah, just here. This is how I want it to go, guys. We get that initial spike and we will most likely reject. And if we could create a higher low and push, create another higher low and get that bigger push above this area of supply at 0.55, above that I'll feel quite confident. And that's the ideal scenario, which is what you guys would want. However, the worst case scenario is we reject this area, and I don't want this to happen, and hopefully it doesn't. Reject, we bounce back, and we actually create lower lows, and then we might end up going back into this area into tomorrow, and this area will be key to hold. If we manage to break below this 0.35 area, in my opinion, we will go all the way back down towards this 0.32 zone, and that's going to be quite disappointing in my opinion. I don't want to see that happen because shorts will be in control at that level. So what I do want to see is us reclaim. So there is a glimmer of hope in after hours where we could bounce into tomorrow. So tomorrow will be a huge day for this. A very big day, and hopefully us bulls win this race. But let's just look at a higher time frame, for example the 4-hour chart, and it's the same thing really. I think I analyzed this chart and I said we need a break out of this 4-hour. We haven't broken out, and now we are retesting into this area here, and this is an area of demand. We want to break back above this area, and once we break this area we should start seeing a climb back towards here in this zone, and that's your zone here, which is going to be the most important. Break above and make that push, and I don't want to see a rejection of this area of supply. That's the worst case scenario. But yeah, that's my analysis on Cosm for you guys. Hopefully with this high short interest we do squeeze these shorts, because these guys deserve a kick in the backside. They are just absolute fools. But I'm backing you Cosm guys all the way. But it's key to understand, guys, do not add this high. You don't want to become a bag holder on this, and this is me saying in the most humble way possible, because at the end of the day it is your money on the line here. So don't end up doubling down or anything like that. Keep it simple. Maybe if you do want to re-add any shares, wait for a higher low to be created, as I discussed in the previous last 2-3 minutes ago. So wait for a higher low to be created, and then you can make a decision to go long again, unless you got a really low average. If you got a really low average, then congrats to you. But yeah, I'm really hoping as bulls we see a rally, not a fall on the stock. But yeah, let's just see this. That's your trend line, and that's the trend line you want to break. Okay, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short video, simple video, straight to the point, and hopefully the best of luck to Cosm shareholders. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you.